Okay, so my son's 1997 Altima has this problem. These sun visors are worn out, and you can't get them new. You can't get them anywhere. You can get used ones, but they're probably going to have the same problem. These are just worn out. So I went on Temu and I found some sun visors for like a 2014 Altima or something. And basically I measured between here and where this hole, where this rod goes into the hole over here, and shopped around and found ones that were as close as I could get. And then I had my son design and build with a 3D printer pieces like this. And the result looks like this. We've done the passenger side and we've had success. So here's the piece he designed. He's in college studying 3D modeling, and he used his skills and whatever tools he is being given from school to design and build this. So when we bought these visors originally, they had a piece on it, and behind the piece is a C-clamp. So I told him, you know, design a piece to replace the piece that was on here, because it was a different, you know, it's a different footprint. It didn't have the screws like this. It had them going like this or something weird. So he took the old piece off of this of the old visor and designed it to work with the new visor, the shaft on the new visor. And I have to say, he did a very, very good job. I mean, look at that. It stays up nice and tight. And this piece does fit into that piece. It's a bit tight, but hopefully it won't break. And if it does, I guess, you know, this is still better than that. That's terrible. This did have lights here and stuff, but this car, 1997 model, did not offer power to these. So we basically just ignored the wire. We cut off the connector and dropped the wire, you know, out of the way. But yeah, he did great. I'm very pleased with how well that works. I mean, look at that. That thing sticks up perfect. This is a newer model. You pull that off and this thing, you know, it slides out like that, so you can, whoop, shit, I broke it. That was my bad. I forced it. Well, anyway, that's good enough.